Are you ready to unlock your potential and take your career to new heights? Imagine becoming a leader in agile project management, guiding teams to success with confidence and expertise. Hi, I am Vineet Patni, a certified Scrum trainer, and in this video, I'll show you the exact steps to achieve your CSM certification and transform your professional life. Stay tuned and discover how you can become a certified Scrum Master. A few years ago, I was struggling to keep up with the demands of complex projects, constantly facing roadblocks and inefficiencies. Then, I discovered Scrum and Agile framework that revolutionized my approach to project management. By becoming a certified Scrum Master, I was able to streamline processes, boost team efficiency, and deliver outstanding results consistently. In this video, I'll guide you through the 34 steps to achieve your CSM certification, starting from understanding what Scrum is, all the way to excelling in your new role. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand what Scrum is. It's an agile framework for managing complex projects, emphasizing teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress. Step 2. Research the benefits of CSM certification. It enhances your career prospects, increases earning potential, and improves your project management skills. Step 3. Visit the Scrum Alliance website, the organization that provides CSM certification. Step 4. Review certification requirements, including attending a Scrum course and passing the exam. Step 5. Identify your learning style, whether it's self-study, classroom learning, or online courses. Step 6. Choose an accredited training provider from Scrum Alliance. Step 7. Register for a CSM course, typically a 2-day training providing foundational Scrum knowledge. Step 8. Gather study materials like guides, books, and online resources. Step 9. Read the official Scrum Guide by Ken Schwaber and Jeff Sutherland, a crucial resource for Scrum principles. Step 10. Familiarize yourself with Scrum roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and developers. Step 11. Learn about Scrum events: sprint, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Step 12. Understand Scrum artifacts: product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. Step 13. Understand Scrum commitments: product goal for the product backlog, sprint goal for the sprint backlog, and definition of done for the increment. Step 14. Review common Scrum terminology, user stories, sprints, burn-down charts, etc. Step 15. Participate in Scrum forums to share experiences. Step 16. Take practice quizzes to test your knowledge. Step 17. Attend the CSM course, engage with the instructor and classmates. Step 18. Participate in group activities to reinforce your understanding. Step 19. Complete all course assignments. Step 20. Network with fellow attendees for valuable support. Step 21. Review course materials post-training. Step 22. Accept the license agreement in Scrum Alliance. Step 23. Create a study plan. Step 24. Join a study group if possible. Step 25. Use flashcards for revision. Step 26. Focus on weak areas. Step 27. Take care of yourself, get enough sleep, eat well, take breaks. Step 28. Practice time management during practice exams. Step 29. Review exam tips. Step 30. Stay calm and confident. Step 31. Take your CSM exam. It is a web-based online exam. Make sure you have laptop and good internet connectivity. Step 32. Review your answers if time allows. Step 33. Submit the exam. You will immediately get the result. Step 34. Celebrate your success. You've earned your Certified Scrum Master certification. Now that you've achieved your CSM certification, it's time to update your resume and LinkedIn profile to showcase your new qualification. Join the Scrum Alliance community, apply for Scrum Master positions, and seek practical experience. Continue learning by reading articles, attending webinars, and participating in workshops. Attend Scrum gatherings and earn Scrum education units for renewal. Participate in mentorship programs, share your knowledge, and stay agile. Reflect on your journey, set new goals, and encourage others to pursue CSM certification. Stay connected with your Scrum network and keep striving for excellence. Ready to embark on your journey to becoming a certified Scrum Master? Call us now at 9850994515 to enroll in our upcoming training sessions. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your potential and achieve your career goals. Call now and take the first step toward a brighter future. Remember, success is just a call away. Dial 9850994515 and start your journey to becoming a certified Scrum Master today.